How to succeed in binary options trading. If you are a new binary options trader or an experienced one, you might have asked yourself if there are ways you can adopt so that you can succeed in binary options trading. I can bet you've also tried watching random posts online that claim to provide the best advice to make quick bucks trading. If you are such a person, this piece is meant for you. If you want proven ways of improving the quality of your trading, this piece will come in handy. If you want valid tips on how to make money with binary options, then keep listening. You have to listen carefully to what is said here so that in the end, you'll have solid tips to help you succeed in binary trading. Some of these tips have been collected from binary option success stories, so they are reflective of the real world out there. Pay close attention to the details. Tip 1. Know your asset. Binary options are derivatives. What this means is that you do not deal with the asset itself. Instead, you trade based on the price behavior of the underlying asset. Your trade decisions are directly pegged on the upward, downward, or horizontal movement of the prices. So basically, if you make a good decision, you have to know how the price is likely to behave in the future. To know how it will behave, you have to know the asset itself and the things that affect its price. The smart trader will therefore find a few underlying assets of interest and focus on collecting whatever information may affect its price. If we're talking about gold, you'll have to seek out whatever news pieces may impact its performance. Looking at previous data, it's been realized that the price of gold, for example, moves in the opposite direction of the strength of the dollar. So if you want to place a call or a put based on gold, you'll have to understand this correlation and use it to your advantage. This way, you'll make significant profits trading options. Tip 2. Limit your trades. For most new traders, the assumption is that the more trades placed, the more profits accrued. In an ideal world, this is totally reasonable and true, but in binary options, it's quite the opposite. At least it depends on the trading strategy being employed. I would not expect a scalper to place few trades when their strategy calls for rapid trading. For those who do not know, scalping is a type of strategy where you place numerous trades within a limited amount of time so you can benefit from very small changes in prices. Some scalpers even trade when the market's range-bound, meaning when the price changes are so small, you would see a straight line on the charts. The point in limiting your trades is that you will focus more on the quality of your decisions. This means you'll spend reasonable amounts of time collecting information that will help you predict the future changes with a higher degree of accuracy. Limiting your trades also has its distinct quality of reducing your risk exposure. The more you trade, the more chances you have of making losing trades. It has also been shown statistically that the more you trade, the more chances you make subsequent losing trades that will run your account dry. Some brokers also charge transaction fees and commission for each trade executed. So the more you trade, the more money you lose through these charges. Money that would otherwise have been used elsewhere as capital for profit. Having said this, you will succeed mostly by placing fewer high-quality trades. Have this in mind every time. Tip 3. Diversify your portfolio. At this point, I'm sure you've heard of a wise saying that you should never put all your eggs in one basket. Oftentimes, successful investors such as Warren Buffett also strongly recommend that if you are to remain solvent during rough times, you're better off having your investment portfolio diversified. Diversification means investing in different sectors of the economy. If you want to buy certain options, you must consider which sector the underlying asset is from. For example, you can buy grain-related options from the agriculture sector, gold-related options, and maybe currency pair options. What this means is that if there is bad weather or a bad harvest, and your binary options related to agriculture are not doing well, you can rely on the currency pairs to maintain your income stream. In short, you will have insulated yourself from limited market shocks that affect only one portion of the economy, and this is what will set you apart from the unsuccessful masses. Tip 4. Master your strategies. If you've already started trading, you'll know that there are various strategies of making money in binary options. You'll also know that your choice of strategy determines a lot, including how quick you make your money, how much you make in each trade, and how easy it is to automate your trading activities. There are many proven strategies you can try, and a lot of literature and videos exist out there that you can use to guide you in each strategic option. To succeed, you'll have to familiarize yourself with the strategies first. You will then pick one that you feel will work best for you. Maybe it's one that you can trade easily on the go. That is your mobile device or tablet. Then you must try as much as you can to master it. The secret is to practice, practice, and practice even more. You can get started with a demo account, so that way you're not losing money through trial and error. The better you can get with your strategy, the more successful you will be in binary options. Tip 5. Automate. The world of binary options has not been left behind with the growing acceptance of automation tools. Automation especially brings along many advantages, including that you'll be able to make money even without having to follow up on each trade yourself. Your success, therefore, will be further improved with the use of these specially designed automation tools and robots. But you must be careful because there are many scammers out there that might want to steal from you. Read reviews on brokers and robots to be safe from the binary option scams.